I'm Dries Dams, founder of Seneco. I started the company in 2017. Small, but within the years we started growing. And for the moment, we're I think 7 years active, and we provided plus minus 8,000 customers with solar panels, residential and commercial. In the beginning, I started with trying different brands of panels through suppliers, because we were a small organization. But then the moment that I met Jeroen from Bauer, I immediately felt a match. He was thinking along with us, and he gave us the opportunity to buy directly from the producer, in this case a Bauer. And for me that was very important to build that long-time partnership, because you can learn from each other, you can support each other. If I'm looking now, we exist plus minus 7 years. We're already working 7 years together from the beginning until now. I think it's important to work with a brand that has experience. Bauer, founded in 1985, has got the knowledge to produce the high premium glass modules, and it's not something, a hype that they jumped on. We see that a lot of producers now these days, they are also producing glass panels, but before it was all glass foil, and glass was bad. We rather stick to the original, and in this case that's Bauer, because they have a lot more experience during the years with this type of module. And I think for an end customer that needs to be something that's important. Not only look at the warranty in years, but also look at the company behind the warranty. How long do they already exist? What is the experience that other installers and end customers have with that article? And with us, the experience is only good. So I think that's the main argument and the main thing why we work with Bauer. Just the reliability of the product, and also that they exist already as long as the guarantee lasts. That's, for me, it's important. I think Bauer knows to stick with the original. And why I'm telling that, we notice now a lot of other brands. They're also following the direction of the glass modules, but they are always looking to find ways to make it cheaper, but not always better. And a good example of that maybe is to talk about the thickness of the glass. And that creates, of course, the overall weight of the module. When we place glass modules, they're 24-25 kilo for one piece, but that comes from the thickness of the glass. You have the double glass, 2 mm front and back, but if you look at a lot of other brands, they use 1.6. They make it cheaper, of course, but it has to stay for 30 years on your roof. You want a model that also can provide energy without damage during external factors like hail, wind, mechanical pressure. You want a free risk investment. That's the reason why we choose for the Bauer glas original panel, because it already proven itself during the time.